are we seeing this fund flow really happening? But a lot of earnings to talk about, and let's put the spotlight on Pidilite Industries then. And to talk more on the numbers and the outlook, we have been joined by Sudhanshu Vats, who is the Managing Director of Pidilite Industry. Hi, very good afternoon, Mr. Vats, and thank you so much for your time. Firstly, onto your numbers, Pidilite saw an overall volume growth of 9.8% on a YoY basis. Give us some sense that what kind of a volume growth guidance will you be giving now, and what could be the important triggers for the company?
So Pidilite delivered good set of results. We delivered double-digit profitable underlying volume growth. And as you know, in Q4, we came in at 9.8% underlying volume growth. And I do want to emphasize that this is underlying volume growth and not total volume growth. Our total volume growth will be much, much higher than this. Because underlying volume growth takes into account both volume and mix. Simply put, it's turnover growth at constant price. I think as far as our future is concerned, we stay committed to delivering profitable double-digit underlying volume growth.
Thank you, Mr. Vats. This is Kanishka also joining in. Now, let's talk about input costs. That remained benign, due to which gross margin sort of expanded 161 bips to 55%. What's your overall margin outlook there going forward in FY26?
So we've always guided a corridor of 20 to 24% EBITDA margin. And I think we have delivered consistently within that corridor. I'm very happy to note that in this quarter, our performance has been delivered through 4 key pillars. I think the first one being continued profitable growth with expansion in our portfolio. So we've worked on our portfolio. So that's the point number 1. We've seen very good growth on the portfolio of ours, which is in the growth area. So specifically brands like Roff and Dr. Fixit. So considerably improved performance in these areas. And that has given us further strengthening of our portfolio. That's pillar number 1. Our pillar number 2, which is a very innovative way of reaching out to our consumers and building our brands, got further strengthened in Q4. A few examples, if I could take, was the launch of our Dr. Fixit campaign. It was a 360-degree campaign with a celebrity. And also, we were there in India-England series, as you know, as Dr. Fixit experts on DRS. We were also there and on Kaun Banega Crorepati with the Dr. Fixit expert question. So our ability to reach out and make sure that our brands are built in a 360-degree endearing way and build bonds is always there. I'm also happy to share with you that our journey on building our unique bond on Fevicol continued with Fevicol Kala Tika in the Kumbh Mela. And last quarter also saw a very emotional but an important milestone in our journey on Fevicol when we branded our Marol Naka station as Fevicol Marol Naka. This coincided with the centenary of the founder of Pidilite, Shri B.K. Parekh.
Well, yes, the brand recall has been really strong, Mr. Vats. But segment-wise, help us understand what's the growth guidance for EV as well as the electronics adhesive segment. In the recent while, have there been any partnerships or any new customer additions that you have undergone?
We don't give any specific guidance, as we've always maintained. So there will be no specific growth guidance. All I can tell you is making good progress on some of our pioneering efforts as well. And as you spoke about, more specifically electronics and EV, we are making progress. We have reached out to more customers. We are happy to share that 1 or 2 large customers have converted. We started getting good orders. So our progress on electronics and EV continues to be strong.
Mr. Vats, do you see any competition that is being felt in the waterproofing segment as well, especially with Grasim's entry into paints? How is the company prepared for this particular segment?
We have been strengthening our waterproofing portfolio. As I told you, our waterproofing portfolio has delivered robust growth in Q4. We've actually come out with a new campaign, which was then executed in a 360-degree manner on Dr. Fixit, which we talked about. I think our product innovation also continues to strengthen our portfolio. I think we've seen a lot of product innovation, both in the area of premiumization of our portfolio, plus also introducing new products. And what I'm very happy to share is that our innovation rate is steadily progressing and becoming healthier and healthier.
All right, but also give us some sense that for FY26, what are your capex plans? What amount of money are you planning to spend, and in which areas will be your key focus?
We've always maintained that our capex tends to be in the region of 3 to 5% of revenue. I think we've used up that capex in FY25. Our estimated capex for FY26 will again remain in that band of 3 to 5% of our revenue.
Okay, so those are the capex plan then. Now moving on, sir, how do you see rural versus urban demand shaping up, and are there any changes in your distribution strategy going forward?
We've focused extensively on distribution. Distribution is our key pillars. So we've expanded our distribution. We've expanded our Pidilite Ki Dunia, our unique build outlets consistently going up. Our relationship and top-end outlets, what we call Pidilite Chairman's Club, is strengthening from quarter to quarter, year to year. And I'm happy to share with you that we will continue to build on our distribution. And with the strength of our distribution, we continue to see robust growth in rural as well. So even in the quarter that has gone by, we have seen strong growths in rural. We've also seen good growths in urban. We believe that with the second consecutive good month, likely good monsoon, spurred with the government spending going up and all the action in construction sector, we are very optimistic on the demand scenario going forward.
All right, Mr. Was, with this, we let you go on that. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us this afternoon. So that was the management of Pidilite. Really confident of delivering a double-digit volume growth in the times ahead. But with